Good morning, Rpra One Loft Young Birds. It's Friday the 6th of May 2022. Just do a little walkthrough. James has shut them off the back and is giving a back corridor clean while before I go ahead and spray it with the petrol sprayer. These are the latest ones to arrive. They haven't mixed up with the others yet. I've been getting them out separately, but next week they're joining, everything will be together. They're starting to go into a heavy molt on the dark, and then there's another two sections that haven't joined the main flock yet. Beautiful morning here. Come on then. Come on. Again, they're about the same age. Rain gale break certainly worked well. So any drafts and what have you. There's the rain blowing in. Droppings are nice. Come on. So yeah, these will be going out separate, so they're joining the others next week, make things a little bit easier. And then, come on. Like I say, they shut off the back corridor, so well, they shut off every morning anyway, because we clean out every day, 7 days a week. Back corridor, front corridor, run belts, powder down. Spray, disinfect. Some will come through the molt, some halfway through eject. Come on. White droppers. Come on. Come on then. By the middle of May, everything will be shut out together, and then start teaching them all to come through the traps. Come on. First week of May, first week of June. I think last year we started loading them about the 7th of June. It might be about the same this year. We'll see how we go. Just be taken for trailer training, really get them used to the trailer, loading, what have you. Nice. Come on. In the water, they're on the Champ Pigeon products by Sebastian. They've got the oregano and organic acids in the water for the last 3 days. And on the food, I'm using about 4 of the Champ products. There's the probiotic, the multivit, which I stick on with their garlic oil. really appreciate them sponsoring us. The products are very high quality. Come on. As you can see, they're really throwing the old feathers out, which is a good sign of health. So, like I say, next week one day, be all going out together. Following week, then they'll be shut out. Get into June. Come on. When the work starts for them. Loading and what have you. You see they're active. Yearlings went training yesterday, 20 miles. Went pretty well. A couple missing, one or two, but I think it's 3. Maybe turn up today. Congregated because we shut them off the back corridor. So carry on with work guys, get the sprayer out, start spraying everything out at the back, and then my knees are out, spray at the front. Enjoy the rest of your day, beautiful day. I'm going to exercise the yearlings and then we'll get the young ones out after in 2 groups, and enjoy your weekend. Looks a nice day tomorrow, racing day, perfect day actually tomorrow, Saturday. Looks like the wind's turning to northerly, so steady them up, you south roaders, and obviously north roaders will be a quick one. All the best, take care.